Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crown K. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. Y'all already know what the deal is. Just like hit that thumbs up button, comment, before even like watching the video, because you already know it's about to be fire. So hit that like button, yeah, hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. I can never get my words out. But yeah guys, today's video is a quick wig install. I shouldn't even say install because we're not gluing anything. You already know. You see me with this on and my edges are out. You know that it's something quick and easy. It's a headband wig and that's super quick. Like, it just takes a minute. So yeah, so here's to efficiency, here's to speed, here's to get your hair done real quick. So let's get into the video because I'm just like talking all kinds of stuff that's not even related. Hair today is sent to me by AliPearl. Thank you AliPearl for sending this hair over so I could review for y'all. And it comes in this bag. This is like their usual satin bag with like the drawstring, so you can definitely store your wig in this. I love these bags versus like a box, because boxes take a lot of space. So this is a hair, and I do believe it's a 26 inch. I think it's a curly. Yeah, so it's pretty long, and I did get this in a medium cap size. And guys, they did send me some free gifts. They sent me a headband. Well, they sent me several headbands. I feel like all these companies send you like the same headbands. They all look similar. If you've been watching my videos, you know I'll be getting like the same kind of looks. This is cute. This got butterflies on it, so that's definitely cute. They sent me this headband. I've done a video with one of these before, but they sent me this headband. They also sent me this really pretty one with all the diamonds. I personally owned a headband like this, but it was a little bit bigger, but this is really cute. I like the size of this one, so that's pretty. They sent me a cheetah print. Like, I feel like all these companies know I like cheetah print because every time I get one, and we have like 2 other colors. I have so many headbands, y'all. Like, I have way too many headbands. So they sent this green, which is cute, and I feel like this might offset my shirt. Yeah. And they sent me this print. I don't know what print this is, but they sent me this print. And that's it. That was a lot of headbands. And I got wig caps. And I got some lashes. This is her. This is she. Guys, this is a headband wig, and it's a curly one. It is. This looks like a Brazilian curly. All the information, guys, will be in the description box below, so please check it out, because sometimes I don't give like the right information sometimes. But yeah, this is the hair, and it's really cute, and it's long, like 26 inches. Yes. So it's pretty long, and it's curly, and it's cute. Oh, they have the construction, guys, that I like. Their headband comes with clip-in combs at the top versus the regular combs, because the regular combs, to be honest, sometimes hurt my head, but these are just like really small and easy. So 3 combs at the top, 3 clip-ins, and 2 at the bottom, and then you have the headband itself. So let's get this wig on. So the headband is on. That took us literally a minute. Literally, it did not take long, and we are ready to go. Edges on, or wig is on, and that's like pretty much it. I love headband wigs, and I can't stop saying that. It's so easy, and it's just super cute, and it's a great protective style. It's not bothering your edges. It's not glued down, so it's not tearing anything out, and your hair gets to rest. So you can braid your hair down if you want to, or you can even like put it in like some plaits and pop it on and you're good to go. This is a great way to rest your hair. So the hair is super full, guys, and I love that. The hair is super full. I don't want to fluff it out too much yet because I want to put the headband on first. I really like how it looks like this. I don't think I'm going to go in and add water, but you can, because this is Brazilian hair, so you can definitely go in and add water, add product if you want to, but I don't want to do all that, and I don't want to weigh my hair down. I like how it is right now, and I like how free it feels, so I'm not adding anything to it. And it is 26 inches. Comes down below my my bust, only because it's really curly, but if it wasn't like not this curly, it would have been like down here. This is how long it is in the back. This is how long it is in the back. It's definitely touching my waist area and almost at my tailbone. Nah, I'm exaggerating. So it's definitely at my waist in the back. And I did go back just a little bit so y'all could see that this hair, honey, is full and it's long. Like, it's really long. It is 26 inches. And I just love how the curls look. And as I said before, you can add product, you can fluff the hair out some more, but I really don't want it to be that big, and I'm pleased with how it is, so I don't think I'll be fluffing it out, and I will not be adding water. I like the way how it's looking. So I'm gonna go in and add the headband, and we're just going to see how the headband looks with it all together. But yeah, I really like this hair. They did not fail. Like, AliPearl, guys, sells really good hair. Every time I get hair from AliPearl, I'm never like disappointed. It's always like top quality. Like, in my top 10 of hair companies, AliPearl is definitely up there. So they did not disappoint on this headband wig. The quality of the hair is amazing. Super cute. Okay, mamas. So let's put the headbands on so y'all can see like what's up, what's poppin'. So this is the first headband, guys, and I love it. I think we look super cute. And guys, y'all know I love these headbands with the diamonds and all the extra. I live for headbands like these. So I love this one. And no, it's not really a headband, it's a bandeau, because this is the harder one. It's not like a fabric, so it's a bandeau. But yeah, guys, I think it's super cute, and we're gonna just try a few more of these headbands, and I'm gonna, you know, like do my little slow-mo so y'all can definitely like get into this hair. Guys, so I did switch my headband out and I put my hair in a ponytail, and this is looking cute. Like, this is cute. This is really cute. So it's in a ponytail. I mean, none of my hair out or looking funny. It's really cute. So yeah, guys, you know, you can definitely do a lot of styles with these headband wigs, and because this headband wig is longer, you have a lot more options because of the length. So I feel like it looks super cute in this ponytail. It's giving me like Janet Jackson vibes with my hair like this, like the headband and then everything up. And because I left my edges out, I feel like it looks super real. Not real, but it's like realistic. It looks super realistic because I left my edges out. But yeah, guys, I love it. You can do a ponytail, you can do a half up, half down, my favorite go-to headband wig style, and you can do a bun. But it's so cute. I would not want to put it in a bun right now because it's very new, but you could do a little bun just like that. You could have a little messy bun situation going on. But I feel like it's super cute right now. I don't want to put it in a bun yet. Like, the hair is just so cute in the ponytail. So this is how we're rocking her. And yeah. So guys, my crown crush today is Deontay Barnaby. I hope I said your name right. I'm gonna leave that on the screen somewhere right here. I'm gonna leave your comment. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for commenting under my video. Thank you for supporting me. And guys, if you wanna be my crown crush, if you wanna get a shout out in my video, you already know what to do. Spam the comments, smash the like button, and turn your post notifications on. You could definitely be my crown crush. Yep. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and most importantly, like, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on, and become a part of the gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.